catchy. Hooray! He's modest, clever, and so smart he barely can restrain it. With so much generosity, there is no way to contain it. To contain it, to contain, to contain, to contain. Oh, hooray!
Children of the world, I'm Willy Wonka have decided to let 5 of you to visit my incredible chocolate factory. There are 5 golden tickets hidden in Wonka bars across the world. These tickets are your invitations to my factory. Good luck and let the hunt begin.
It's simple. When my dad heard about his golden ticket, he said, "Pumpkin, it's yours." So he made all his workers to open one box of chocolate. And there it is, my golden ticket. I thought it would be a little bit more shiny, but it's okay, I guess.
I know that I don't look like I eat a lot of chocolate, but I actually do. I was just eating my second bar of chocolate when I suddenly found nothing that's not poisonous in the peanut butter, and there comes my golden ticket.
I'm a champion. 2-time state gun shooting champion, to be exact. When you see word competition, I say I'm in. So when I heard about this golden ticket business, there was only one thing left to do. One. I'm 11 years old and I'm in order accepted to MIT. Do you think I could have figured this out? All I had to do was buy one single bar of chocolate from a local store. How did it taste? I don't know. I threw it away anyways. It's way too unhealthy.
I'm sorry, but I don't have an exciting story to tell you. It was just like, I usually get one bar of chocolate a year for my birthday, but I found a coin on the street and decided to buy some chocolate. I wanted to sell it at first, but some people offered me a lot of money, but my grandpa convinced me to keep it.
Hello, little people. Welcome to my chocolate factory. Winning the golden ticket was just the beginning. The real competition starts now. Whoever is the most successful will win a special prize.
Well, this factory looks stupid, like an old office. Where's all the chocolate?
Hey, this might be the first clue.
Your first task is to choose, will you win or will you lose? To eat or not to eat? Is this a trick or a treat? What? This don't got chocolate!
Don't, maybe it is a trick.
That'd be stupid. And I have never seen a bar of chocolate that I couldn't eat. Beautiful hazelnuts, a peanut butter, and a touch of snow. Was it? Rotten eggs!
So we all knew he could be the first one to go.
What's the next task? I'm ready.
You will split into 2 pairs, and you must find the most valuable thing in this factory. Now hurry up, go!
Okay, this must be. If he even has half a brain, which I doubt, he'll keep his most precious things here. The secret recipes and stuff. I guess. He doesn't look like a kind of dude who has a trophy room. I do, by the way. Hey, what's this? A 3-course meal tomato soup, roast chicken, and toffee ice cream in one shoot. I must try this. Just be careful. Remember what happened to Augustus? Yeah, but it was a chocolate. If it's disgusting, I'll just spit it out. Tomato soup. I can feel it going to my throat.
and roast chicken with carrots and potatoes. And toffee ice cream. It has a real toffee in the middle.
What's going on, guys? I don't understand you. I think toffee goes your lips together.
What happened to Violet?
An incident with experimental gun. She had to be taken to the hospital.
Who cares? Better chance for us. Anyway, this must be it. Where else could he keep all of his valuable stuff?
There are more valuable things than money.
Yeah, like you know. Hey, this looks like a safe box. What does it say? To open the box, you must pay 1 golden ticket.
No way. When this is over, I plan to sell mine on eBay.
I don't want to give mine away. I want to keep it.
It's not a real gold, dummy. It's fine, I will do it. Lucas, your access to this platform is now forbidden. You no longer have a golden ticket. What? Go get Julius. Yes, I can. Do you know who I am? I'm calling my parents.
There's got to be. We've been to the whole factory.
Yeah, but there is nothing here left except the rotten egg chocolate.
Wait a minute. His computer. This got to be it.
What's the matter?
Oh my god! My hands are stuck to the keyboard. It's like it's made of sugar. This is why I hate candy.
Miss Wonka, all children are gone.
Don't worry, Charlie, they'll all be fine. But look at that. That means you won. Here you are.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Wonka.
You're disappointed?
I'm never disappointed by chocolate.
So why don't you eat it?
Oh, sir, the best part of chocolate is sharing it with someone.
Have you ever had chocolate and thought, mine, mine, mine?
We've all been there, but it's fine. Next time, you will taste the treat.
Think, are you hungry or just greedy to eat?
Chocolate brings out the worst and the best.
Each time you have it, you're put on a test.
Gobble it up without the second sauce. Or put it away and forgot where it is.
It's your chocolate, so keep your eyes on the prize.
When you say chocolate, whatever, I wish it was fried.
Or you could open a bar, just like this one.
And that's politely. Chocolate, anyone?